Hirender is a full media control system trusted across the world's most demanding exhibitions and live performances. At its core is a powerful timeline and show management engine, bringing together audio, lighting, display, and mechanical control in one unified platform. Whether it's ultra-high-resolution video playback or larger-scale LED and projection blending, Hirender delivers at the highest level. From the Beijing Winter Olympics to the Hangzhou Asian Games and the Osaka World Expo, Hirender has been there, delivering an unmatched audio-visual experience. For larger-scale and complex display environments, Hirender's professional playback management supports unlimited server cluster expansion within a local network, handling up to 24 channels of 4K 60Hz ultra-high-definition video, losslessly, combined with our proprietary HVC codec, which supports lossless playback at up to 16K resolution with alpha channel capability. Hirender sets a new benchmark for professional audiovisual encoding. In complex live environments, Hirender bridges over 20 protocol interfaces, bringing audio, lighting, video, and mechanical devices together under unified control rather than operating in isolation. For absolute reliability, the system's primary and backup mode maintains real-time frame-level synchronization. In the event of a failure, it switches instantly and imperceptibly, eliminating unexpected risk and providing industrial-grade redundancy. No matter the scale, no matter the complexity, Hirender delivers uncompromising performance and keeps every show running without fail.